Hi everyone, this is Cindy from Creating with the Heart, and I'm back with a video response to Happy Ella After's challenge. The challenge that we had was to make embellishments, but they couldn't be any bigger than 2 by 2. Excuse me. And I think it goes until September. So you have to mail your packages, and the most that you can do is 4 sets of 4 to Ella for a chance to win a prize. And I think she's giving Gorgeous Girl stuff as her prize. So I think it's called a Gorgeous Girls Challenge. So I want to come on here and do a VR. I'm going to link to her video as well in the description as well as in the video. So you can click and take a look at it if it's something you think you might be interested in. But since I was already doing an embellishment, well, not only embellishment, but a Build Your Stash collab, it just seemed to go together. So anyway, I'm going to share with you guys what I'm sending her so that you can see them. The first one here is I'm actually using one of the embellishments because I had one left over to decorate my bag, which was not a requirement, but I thought it just looked much nicer to package them up. And what I used is these little donuts. And I made a little banner here. It just says Make a Wish. These are from Paper Tray Ink mini messages. I've had them forever. And to decorate my donuts, I used sequins and stickles to do that. And I think they came out really, really cute. There's even a little gem on the banner. So I'm going to show you what I used because a lot of people have been hauling this for the Hobby Lobby clearance haul. I picked this up. I actually had bought this a while ago, and I used this donut right here to make that. And I've seen a lot of people haul this and get it for really cheap at Hobby Lobby. So just an idea of what you can do with it. I think it looks really, really cute. Okay, so these I shared already. These were my first week of the Build Your Stash collab. And if I think about it, I will link to that video as well because it shows how I made these. And so these are my smaller sets. They're smaller than 2 inches. So these are the ones I'm sending. And then this right here, I'm using the Tim Holtz Alterations, it's the Alterations Movers and Shakers die. And in that die, it comes with 2. It comes with the typewriter, and I forget what else, but it comes with 2 dies. And so I just used the typewriter, and that particular die, you do need there's like a base that you have to purchase. So I do have that. Otherwise it won't cut for you. So I do have that. And all I did was I used some Prima paper and some gold foil paper to make my typewriters. And I decorated it with a doily. And there's the ones that are on the back. And I also use these little, I don't know where they are right now. These little tiny puffy heart stickers that I got from Michael's. And I don't know where they are right now because I think I tried to clean up and put things away because it was out of control. But you can get those at Michael's, and they're super tiny and they fit right on there. And on this, I also used the mini messages stamp set from Paper Tray Ink because it just fit. And then the last embellishment I made were these rosettes. And I decorated them with a small butterfly and a gem and a flower and a little banner. And this is how I decorated this one. This one uses paper from Maggie Holmes. Maggie Holmes unknown paper pad, excuse me, that I got from Tuesday Morning. And I say unknown because it didn't have the name of what paper it was from. But anyway, that's what I used, and I think it came out really, really cute. And so anyway, go check out Happily Ella After so that you can see if it's something you're interested in participating in, or just to subscribe because she does do a lot of really fun things on her channel. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy of Creating with the Heart.